Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar melody that you can hear in the song Nevermind by Dennis Lloyd. It's a song where we're going to use a capo on the 8th fret, so I hope that you have a capo at home, and in standard tuning. So just take your guitar and let's begin. So we start placing the capo on the 8th fret. And when we have the capo there, we are going to place the middle finger on the left hand on the 2nd fret 4th string. And with the right hand, I'm using a pick, but you can play with the fingers as well. We have to play the strings 5, 4, and 1. 5, 4, and 1 with this rhythm. Okay, and once we have that, we are going to add the ring finger on the 3rd fret 5th string and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. And with the right hand we play the strings 5, 3, and 2. 5, 3, and 2. Okay, and the rhythm is the same that we played on the first chord. We are going to use the same rhythm in every chord. Okay, so there we have the first measure. I'm going to play it one time. I'll show you one more time. And now let's try to play that measure together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and then we come to the next chord, where we're going to put the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string, and the index finger on the 1st fret 2nd string. And with the right hand we play the strings 4, 3, and 2. Again with the same rhythm that we played on the other chords. Okay, so I'm going to play one time the first 3 chords. I'll show you one more time. Okay, so let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and we arrive to the last chord. And this time we are going to play the 4th string open, 3rd string open, and now we're going to play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. And we're going to play it with the ring finger, because on that way we are ready to repeat and start again, placing the middle finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, as we do in the beginning. So we are going to play that 2nd fret 3rd string, that last tone, with the ring finger. Okay, if we do it like that, when we repeat, we have the middle finger ready to play. Okay, so I'm going to play one time the 2 measures and then we try together. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and now we can try to repeat. We play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... And again. try one more time, repeating. 1, 2, 3, and... Repeat. And that was Nevermind by Dennis Lloyd. I remind you that if you want to get the tabs for the song, you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, and there you're going to find many other lessons with the tabs. If you want to get more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.